THOUBAL Forest Division SINDUNA Wildlife Conservation की Matangda District की Thakta Awareness Panthokpaga Loinana KHONGJOM War Memorial Complex LEIBA Community Hall da SUBA Wildlife Week Celebration 2025 की VALEDICTORY Function PANGTHOKHRE Lebak asigi mapam pumbada 2 October dagi October 9 phauba chayol ama chupna Human Animal Coexistence haiba pandamda chathagadoriba rak SUBA Wildlife Week 2025 की manung channa pangthokiba VALEDICTORY Function aduda DC THOUBAL hana kamai IAS THOUBAL Forest Division की DFO Dr. L. Jesli amadi Additional SP THOUBAL N Surasna matang sitna atoi bamitung thoram mapu amasung akanaba mitung sing oiki thoram gi sarukam oina snake rescue ki special session Panthokpaga Loinana Manipur University ki Department of Zoology ki research scholar Nongthombam Hemesor Singh amasung Zenis Kumar Thingu jamna resource person sing oina sarukyaki chayol ama chupna pangthokadoriba SUBA Wildlife Week Celebration 2025 ki manung chinna tongan ba mafam singda pangthokiba painting competition competition amadi quiz competition singda makok matang takraba mahairoi singda su mana mathum sing yen thoki thoronga mari leinana athoiba mitunglen gi warol piraduna DC THOUBAL hana kamai IAS na haikibada lamlaki sa uchek sing ngak tuna thamnaba environment pu fazana thamnaba aikoisu lona yaba thabak sing tawrasi environment ta moselabadi jiba panba sing su hingba ngamlak loi maramaduna aikoi mot manaraga environment pu yokatsi haiki
Differences being human being and animals yam khetnaba leite hai but the only difference no khambra students miyam what is the difference between human being and animals the thinking sense laibagi hai human beings ko we all are same because human beings we are also social animals ni hai we are also animals term the way adubu the only difference is the thinking sense labado aduna because of humans selfish oibado selfishness duna we are risking the life the wildlife we are risking the life of animals selfish ki motive ki hingnabagi damakta we are giving a hardships to the wildlife existence hardship aduna having the sense of thinking power we should think for the future coexistence ecosystem se balance leinabagi let us collectively think together so that we can create a proper peaceful environment is it phazana lei hanaba aduga when we use chemicals human gi selfishness aigi khakang khanbagi damagda we are mot hanba haiba tare environment se aduna mot hallagadi other species se hingba ngamaroiba aduna since we want to live let us also let the other species live haibada haizarga mayam sida mot manaraga asmaina asigi wakhanda leiraga environment wildlife khangde phazana hinghanaba haibado adum oi halase hairaga loisin